come to you now, B. How are you today? I can't behave, so what happened?
Alex, just tell me what you plan to do. The house want things in it, you want sheet and you want curtain. And no food not in there for me eat. Alex, put on your weed, me I talk to you. You see everyone that put up with this. Some would have gone a long time, but no, I stay. Someone know what you plan to do. Because I'm tired of this. Every day you get up, you come out here, sit down with the pan phone.
Chantel, when did you just meet me? We did a drink and we did a smoke. So, you never have a problem with it. And the reason why I'm on my phone now is because I do cares and I try to make things work. So, and I like me not try. I not even know what to say. God no, babe. You see this something you said to me a while ago, there is a reality. And I know say at times it's all stressed out and thing. So I don't want you feel like say when you talk things not because I not reply, I not care. Some of the time I just because the things when you say depend on point to leave me if you go back or think. And by thinking I have a plan because I can't have you living this way. Because you love and from me see you love me, I have to appreciate whatever you do for me. You hear? So I go looking at things and try to make things a little better. So I go out to go have a little 5 and go on meds a little more. You see me? That's things can better.
Alex, you see you know, you always come with your sweetheart then, but I not say nothing still. You said you will go to the have a 5, hold a 5 and think about what you think about because it's the last chance I give you because I'm tired of it.
Yo, how do you doing? Sound like see you just wake up, sir. Yeah, man. You know, Chargy, you know, see me I come from far and you know, it thing come down, so I not to link people and it's necessary. But right now, I'm on my face, things rough. You see me? Because I know so I can call you and you go make things go on, you can make things go on for me right now, because not even food me in the house, nothing to go on. You see me? So, I can give you a link up on the girl Shannon and you tell me what can go on for me, you see it? Yeah, man. Alright, then. Chantel.
What you say?
Soon come back, yeah?
Alright, go on.
How much you want to go?
No, see, I want down a ball field where I go up bus 2 flick. But the boy, I want look one thing for the camera and I'm not sure what go on.
You think it's easy? You just go and protect one another still in. And make sure you don't go down there go fight neither. Zin?
Yeah, man.
I know no go down there go fight. I want to protect one another down there. Yeah. So, you see Chad up on the road there?
Yeah, man, we just pass him up there, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, go.
Alright.
Same thing where I tell you, same thing that.
Alright. Alright. You don't do nothing.
Yeah.
You see you, I know say you have your woman. And you left all your way from down this to come up to come up woman. You're not easy. You're not easy.
You know, my friend. And I really woman come down here to come looking or pass a look or nothing like that. My friend Chad me there go up the road for him. But from me see everybody a little and neat like on his bedroom. You just know say me have to stop because I could have you to be your friend. No, I'm not done no bad no more than we are just friends. Can call him while and have a reason. We can have a drink at times. He is kind of stress or whatever we have. You see me? More than that.
I say, oh no man, no more too sweet. And I can't bother with no sweet mode. Because I say, oh no, I use people girl too much. I make it straight to the point. No, I'm not in the relationship thing. The last man when I talk to a peer sweet mouth thing give me same way and I go catch him with woman round there so and woman a text me phone and I can't bother with them there something there. If we are gonna be friends, just friend. That's
As me there say, my friend, friends, we can just have a drink, get to know each other a little more. And would like to take the time out to apologize on behalf of my gender. It's not every man stay the same way. And until me give the chance or the reason to, that the time them want you feel like say if you judge me because not every man stay the same way. Your number no change, the same number, right?
no size same number me have man.
Alright. As me I tell you, the chat me there go up as I go link in. So we link up. Babes, it's so cool and nice though. Come go over here so go bust piece now.
So babes, you not get piece already last night? Come on, man. I thought so.
Yeah, man. Come on, me tell you, man, where you say we link up later. Yeah, man, alright, no, I hide it, yeah, I hide it. Last night, yeah man. But guess what? You always see what me do. Me no feel say me I go 2-1 week back again it up. Yeah man, cause guess what? A beer run me have to run, you know. A beer run actually make a tree them, you know. Dog all rush me last night, you know. Star God, you know, yeah man, but guess what? Me enjoy. Yeah man, me enjoy, man. So when they say we can link up back. So
Who you run up on the phone with? If they run this and you take time, come on and say, who want to know who you on the phone?
you hear me run here and talk to people on phone?
You just come on and come see you on the phone. So I'm an idiot. I know you talk to somebody. I'm going to turn up and make you take me for no fool. You know, long me turn up on this, they watch they talk on the phone and then they take me for idiot. You can't take me for nothing.
I want a new app so me up on my phone to check pressure. I hit me there on here and try out. And you talk about you hear me talk to people on phone. Who you hear me talk to on phone?
You let me run this and you come round here so you tell me say you're not talking to nobody on the phone.
No,
You have to talk to somebody on the phone and I want to see who you're in the talk.
You can't see who.
You want to see who you're in the talk to.
Lady, what happened to you? I'm thinking
You want to see who you're in the talk to.
B, a long time we over here, no? So where Jimmy there?
Remember so we call him before we come over here. So you know must soon come. Not even to rush him. Remember how them man they come down already. I don't have to rush him. But B, queer. Look on a nice circle over there so.
Them big roll pan one day.
You see you, me tired right and this is the last time. You see next time, it happen, we done.
So one next one over there so come over. You see him?
The one they want white one too.
Yeah, and the one they look like it black over there so you see him come over? See him gone under the water come across. God no baby. The moment you spend with you, me I do worry if you know say we are come from so far. But you are hard type of things, me just love every moment, me just love you be God know. What do I really want to know? How you feel be? God know how you feel.
What you talk about? You have a baby?
Not really the pregnancy but I just wonder your first baby, how you feel if you know say you become a mother.
Why be you know so me excited, God know me excited because me have you around me to go through a journey. You know me excited.
Alex
God.
and the woman. Yo, Alex!
Yo,
Yo, where you the
Where you deal with? Come in, babe, make you hear what you have to say.